Hi, this is Jim from RV 4x40, and we're here today with the Blackstone griddle, one of the meals we love in our Mexican restaurants around the Austin area. Our fajitas is a great dish, and I've never been able to fix it the way I liked it on a grill. So I got a recipe from the Waltwins on YouTube channel. You can check them out. And I'm going to try that this week, and we'll see how it comes out on the Blackstone. And we hope you like it, and you'll have a chance to watch the details as we go through this. So stay tuned and get ready for a great meal. All right, we got the grease going a little bit, so we're going to add in the veggies. That's one of the more important pieces of this meal. We've got bell peppers and onion. So our first thing to do is to get them going. And these do cook down somewhat when you're doing this. So we want to make sure we get the onions nice and done, get the green peppers nice and done. All right, I think we're going to put those off to the side. And they'll stay warm over there. Watch, make sure they turn them every once in a while. They will still continue to cook over there. And now then we'll get ready for the meat. This is inside skirt steak. Supposed to be a little better than regular skirt steak. So we have a seasoning mix. I'm going to put that on there fairly liberally. That. Turn the griddle down just a little bit. And then we're going to add some lime juice. To the meat for the flavor, a little bit of tenderizer. All right. sure this is not getting too done over here. I think they're getting pretty well done. So it's about time for me to leave this, take this inside where we're going to eat, and I'll be back to let you know how it all came out on the other side. Well, I will say that they came out pretty good. The seasoning on them is great. They have great flavor. I think I could have cut the meat up a little bit finer, and it would have been easier to make the fajita wrap up with tortilla and the meat and the onions and the green pepper, cheese if you want, whatever else you want in here. Makes a great little soft taco. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope we'll see you next week. Boy, that's good.